Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show to you the way how to lock your application with a Face ID or passcode on iPhone. So this tutorial of this video will help you to increasing the security of your privacy. The way to do that, you just need to open your phone and let's visit the app library, and in the search button you just need to simply click the shortcuts. We need this application to help it, so you don't need to install any applications to lock your applications on your phone. And after that, we need to take a look on this button features. There will be three sections. Go click in the middle one, which is the automations. In this automation, take a look on the top right corner. There will be like plus button. Just go click them and go click this create personal automations. Now here you just need to like scrolling down until you found an app. Go click it. Since we want to lock the application, make sure that you choose is open. So whenever the application is open, there will be like blah blah blah. And after that, in this app section, choose the application that you want to lock. So let's say I would like to lock this Apple Pool application, and just go click done. Now you just need to go click next, and let's add the action by go click this plus button, and in the search button you just need to type lock screen, and whenever you found it, you just need to go click it and go click next. So here the last thing you need to do is turn off this button so that they will be automatically running. Just confirm that you don't need to ask, and after that just go click done and go back into your home screen. Let's just try to open the egg pool balls application. And whenever you open it, you see your phone is automatically locked. So you just need to show your face or entering the passcode to open the applications. So that is the way, guys, how to open or how to lock the application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.